This week I'm testing the new Volkswagen Golf. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive. And don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. The child seat section of this review is brought to you by Infosecure. In the back of the Volkswagen Golf there are Isofix in the two outer seats. They are within plastic guides and nice and easy to connect to. On the back of all three seat backs there are top tether anchorages and they're within plastic guides and easy to connect to through the boot too. Now I managed to install three Infosecure child seats back here. I've got the Attain More rear facing, the versatile folding booster seat in the middle and the Roma 2 forward facing booster seat on the other side. Now they fit really nicely across the back here. Legroom is really good in the Golf too. We could fit a 180cm driver in front of a rear-facing child seat or a 186cm driver in front of a forward-facing child seat. To learn more about the child seats used in this review, just click on the link here. There are aircon vents in the back of the central console for the rear passengers, which is great for keeping them cool while you're driving along. Now you can also control them from the front media screen and lock them, which is fantastic, so little rear passengers can't fiddle with the controls with their toes. In the back of the Volkswagen Golf there's some great storage. The door bins are a really good size and they're felt lined, so what you put in them will not rattle around and make a noise, and they will hold a large refillable water bottle. On the back of both front seats there are good map pockets that will hold an iPad, and above them are two other little pockets good for phones or kids' toys. In the front of the Golf the storage is really good too. There are two cup holders in the central console. They'll hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. In front of them there's a little well good for putting the key, and there's a wireless phone charging tray in the front. There's also two USB-C ports there too. On the side of that central console there is a net that I found good for storing my phone. The central console box is small in here and there's a 12-volt socket. The glove box is a good size, but it would only hold my wallet or my phone. The iPad wouldn't fit. And the door bins are a good size and they're nicely lined in the front too. They'll hold a large refillable water bottle and an iPad fit in them too. The boot door of the Volkswagen Golf opens nice and quietly and manually. Now the boot floor drops down about 10 centimetres, which is great for extra boot storage space. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot. Empty, it will hold 10 shopping bags, or a twin stroller with no shopping bags, a tandem pram with 1 shopping bag, a single pram with 2 shopping bags, a compact stroller with 7 shopping bags, or a small to medium sized dog. The Golf is a really nice car to drive. It's really fun and sporty, and being small it's got a great turning circle and really easy to park in school and supermarket car parks, nice and agile around town and great fun out on the open road. Now the dash of the new Golf is really minimal and all the buttons you'd usually find are now within the media screen. It's really nice and simple and easy to navigate. There are a few great things in here. So you can turn on and off a lot of the assist systems in here, which is really good, the drive assist. You can also control a lot of the sound from here as well, like the volumes of beeps and announcements and things like that, which is a really good feature for families. Now it does have a CarPlay and Android Auto as well, which is really good. And when I put it into reverse, that camera image is really nice and clear and it can fill the whole screen. So to sum up with the Volkswagen Golf, it's really hard to find anything to fault. It's a really good all-rounder 5-seater family car. Fits those 3 child seats across the back, legroom is good, the media system is good, the boot fits a twin stroller or a good amount of shopping, and it's a really nice car to drive.